Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at lead pipelines or sales pipelines here inside of AgencyZoom. Kind of some best practices and what everything means, right? What is a lead versus an opportunity versus a contact versus a customer? So hopefully after this video, that stuff will make a little bit more sense for you here. So I'm in the leads pipeline. The best way that I think of leads is like it's a manila folder, right? It's a thing that holds other things. So on this one, I'll just pick on myself here. This is the manila folder for myself. Inside of this folder, a contact can live. A contact is obviously a person, right? So here's email, phone number. I can add multiple contacts. I can link it to existing contacts. Then I've got opportunities, which is going to be what lines of business that you could potentially win here. So I created a classic auto one here. I can push this directly into my rater. If I have the information, I don't have a VIN or driver info or anything like that in there. But if I did, I could just come in here to edit. I could grab the vehicle. I could click on this plus vehicle here. So again, the vehicle is living inside of the opportunity, which lives inside of the lead, right inside of that manila folder. So these are basically papers inside of a folder so that you can process the lead all the way through the pipeline here. So again, I can add all of the info if I've got it. I can add the driver info. Obviously, it's going to pull me. I've got my license state, license number, etc. Can all be added in there. And that's what's cool too. If I want to add a driver, there is this checkbox to create a contact, right? Because a contact can live inside of the lead folder. So if this person didn't exist as a contact, I could create them. If I want to add another driver, if I've got a spouse or kids or anybody in the household that also drive, I can add them and also create contacts for them. So that is the best way to think about leads versus opportunities versus contacts. And then your quotes here are going to be anything that you've actually quoted, right? If you've got a policy here, I can convert this to a quote. Again, opportunity is something that I have not had a chance to win yet. Quoted, it's just moving that stage. Right now, I have all the information. I have the VIN. I have the driver info. I have sent this as a quote into either my rater, my carrier site, whatever. I can convert this guy over to a quote where it's going to ask for more information. And then once I move this to one, it will now become a policy, and that customer will be created that was made from the contact inside of this lead folder. So I hope that clarifies things a little bit for you guys. If not, obviously, you can feel free to reach out to me, and I will be more than happy to answer any questions. Take care.